Okay, we're back in Faisalabad again. It was a tough night coming from Lahore. Super fog. Couldn't see 5 feet ahead of you. Now we're going back to the bazaar. Go deal with we need some burners for the water heater. And then we just got through going to the land. I want to put some bricks on the road so it's easier for a car to go in and out of the farm. There's a bunch of bricks that are left over. They're all like half pieces. Anyway, it's quite a nice day today. I think the temperature is somewhere around 68, 70 degrees. So right now we're traveling on a road that's right near a canal. I'll show you the canal. If you can see really close, there's a canal running right alongside of a road. Oh, by the way, anyone on a motorcycle is on the buddy system. And it's kind of cold. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Buddy, buddy. Pack them in. Here is government transportation at its best.